Gang, 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 gang. Yeah, man, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, gang, we back in this bitch, man. Govana has been active. Govana has been active secretly and nobody do it. I know y'all see all that little controversy on social media, rumors circulated between him and I doing about them beef and thing. And then they came out with the whole little skit, just, prove that people just love to talk. You know what I'm saying? They don't know the information, but they talk. But yeah, man, Governor came out and proved, say, man, I doing actually good. There's no beef, there's no dissing going on. You see me, and that he's actually just working on his album. That's why it wasn't at Idonia's party. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I know that my work on him album, which is I believe called Legacy. And it seemed like today he dropped his first single from that project. You feel me? And look at it, and looking good because he's featuring Jada Kingdom. You see me? So I check it out, gang. See where Govana come. We don't know, so Govana is very talented, very creative. Like humans are monsters are the same. Like the concept and all that shit with Chris, you know what I'm saying? It's like man's mad creative, great at storytelling. So I'll see what I gotta do with Pandora. You see me? You can make a trap with Jada Kingdom on and pull over. You see me? I say that I got deal with. Maybe pull up on Jada. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what I go on, gang. Jump right in that chat. Governor Jada Kingdom, pull over. Let's get it.
Cha-cha. Can't wait, you know. Yeah. Hold on. Pull over. Back it up in the rover.
Oh, God, I can't wait. No. Jada looking good already, boy. See that? Right.
Pull over. Back it up in the rover. Girl, your pussy too good for Corona.
Yeah.
All the bankers them make you get Rona. You're looking so hot.
Pull over. I'm telling you, man. It look. Hey.
Pussy so fat. Push it in slow, then I pull it up back. Can't rub my body and put your mouth up. I might pussy this now, if you know that.
Put it on you, what? Hey, Jada.
Come to me silly, make me can't focus. You both you drive me mad, yeah, I must be chauffeur. Me I look on your cocky print through your trousers. Feel me advertise it on a poster. Yeah, anyway.
Yeah, man. She can't focus. Kill her with it. Hey, yeah, man. Yeah, you don't get there if you put in some serious work, dog. You see me, I say, yeah, man.
I want it at this, so you fi bend me. Skin out for you, stroke it gently. Me love sex talk, I be a lie, you fi tell me. Cause all you are gone, me just a defend me Bentley.
Wow, she love sex talk, I be a lie, you show on here. Yeah, so I be a lie, you fi tell me. Hey, she down with it, bro. She like the mind games thing, Jada. Like the mind games. She like you talk that talk, you know what I'm saying?
You should never get a fuck like this. No girl never ride your cocky like me. But know it hard to believe that it feel like dreams. So you don't come fast, then we shall see.
Pull over. Back it.
What? Is that a challenge? Is that a bet? You know what, baby? You know what? You regret the bet. You see me? I wonder if there's no end in sight. You see me? I say I wonder when. Hey.
Jump in the rover. Girl, your pussy too good for Corona.
Really a bad though.
All the bankers them make you get Rona. You're looking so hot. Pussy so fat. Push it in slow, then I pull it up back. Can't rub my body and put your mouth up. I might pussy this now.
Yeah, man. Hey. Hey.
Oh, if you know that.
Just try to take your time and mind your papa vein. A body like yours deserve a nickname. You say you can't wait to take it on the highway. But know you have a girl, but me feel like the main. So
can't wait to take it on the highway, mama. Me like your style. Jada, me like your style. Mama say, I can't wait till you reach home and go up on the highway and just do it while we drive.
you say you can't wait to take it on the highway. But know you have a girl, but me feel like the main. So whining on my mingle. Pinch me on my neck, but you a big man for real. It's not play placing. That's why me have to suck it off at that.
That's facts. Jada, I like the way you talk. You talk that grown shit. You know what I'm saying? Jada talking that grown shit, bro. She ain't playing with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You say you can't wait to take it on the highway. But know you have a girl, but me feel like the main. So whining on my mingle. Pinch me on my neck.
She know me have a girl, but she feel like, hey, Jada, what are you doing? Jada admit say, say she had the side thing, but she, as long as they make her feel like she had the main, she good. How I go on? Hold on.
You a big man for real, it's not play placing. That's why me have to suck it off at that me I tell you. You was a friend, now look where we end up. Let's fuck every day, that's simple. You attack my talk, so me listen.
Yeah.
Every day. Yeah, man. Yo, I saw. That's what I said. That we're gonna get. Yeah, man. Every day sitting, man.
Sit off anywhere you want sprinkle. You have to call my name.
Pull over. Back it up in the rover.
Jada, you a demon, bro. Jada is a demon, bro. Jada is a Govana, I get piece of that, bro. Govana, I get piece of that, bro. Govana probably get piece of it, you know that. Yo, Jada. Jada different, bro. Yo.
Girl, your pussy too good for Corona. All the bankers say make it get Rona. Rona, you're looking so hot, pussy so fat. Push it in slow, then I pull it up back. Wanna rub my body and put your mouth.
Jada fine as well, boy. I ain't gonna cap to you, Jada bad. You know what I'm saying? But she on demon time, bro. She on demon time, bro.
I'm on pussy this now, if you know that. Girl, you're not common. You forget a G fucking at the wagon. Deal with the nipple like a piece of salmon.
Yeah.
Balance, wine pan it and go long. Come on.
Mama, you know, come on, mama. If you get a one in there, what? I'm telling you, the sound like someone. Hey, brother, hey. Yeah, man.
Because you're looking so fine. Drink it slow, boy. Your nipples don't shine, make we do it outside. You feel the motion like a boat.
Nipples don't shine, make we do it outside. The song is bad. Govana, no. Hey, the collab, yeah. Oh,
try one fuck up on a slow jump till around 5. Pull over.
That's... Yeah, man, mama. Yeah, man. Yeah, see me look off. Yeah, man. Yourself, we'll jump till about 5. Yeah, man, in sun rise. Till. Yeah, man. Hey. Pull over. Till. Oh, yeah, man, I pull over, man. We can't wait till we make it to the house, man. I pull over right just on the side of the road, man. Till. Yeah, now I'm playing with the thing, bro. Come on. Jada, Govana. Come on. Clap them people. Clap them. We have to give them a clap on the one there, dog. Yeah, man, I'm doing them thing, bro. I like that. Nice collab. Very smooth. They came very cohesive. They sound very cohesive together. Really dope, bro. I like that a lot. That track was going crazy. Real, man. Pull over. Now they're over. Easy now, man. Yeah, man. I like that, gang. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Jada was looking crazy good in that shit. Jada always looking good, bro. Yeah, she was crazy good in that video. You see me, the quality of the video is crazy too. You see me, Govana the fresh in that video. The whole, you see me, the whole ambience and feel of the videos, right? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Govana. Like the director of the video, they did a great job. You know what I'm saying? Visually, sonically, you see me, and I guess like video wise, you see me, they did it all. You know what I'm saying? That was a good video. Good collab, great song. I'm excited for Govana's album actually. You know what I'm saying? No joke. I'm excited for his album. I don't think that we reacted to Hamas. Humans and Monsters are the same. I don't think we reacted to that, but we're gonna react to this one. We're gonna react to this album, this Govana album. We're gonna react to it. I like the direction where it's going. I like the first track off of it, so I'm really excited to see where Govana go going. Yeah, but see, dancehall artists, they're really stepping up their album game, and that's what I like to see. So I'm looking forward to everything. Bro. We lit this here, bro. We're reacting to every album that's dropping, every artist that's doing their thing. We're reacting to it. You see me and we cover it. You see me and say, but gang, let me know what you think in the comment section. Make sure to drop your requests. You already know what time it is. Boy, Jambisco. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.